Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Zelda Ocarina of Time on Nintendo Switch. First, ensure you have an active Nintendo Switch Online plus expansion pack membership. This special subscription allows you to access a dedicated library of classic Nintendo 64 games directly on your console. You can easily purchase this membership through the Nintendo eShop or find it at many trusted retailers. It is an absolutely essential first step. After securing your membership, head to the Nintendo eShop directly from your Switch home screen. Simply search for the Nintendo 64 Nintendo Switch Online application and proceed with its download. This download is typically around 250 megabytes, so it should be quite quick. Once installed, an identifiable application icon will appear on your home screen, ready for you to launch and explore. Once inside the Nintendo 64 application, simply choose The Legend of Zelda, Ocarina of Time from the available titles. The controls have been thoughtfully remapped to suit your Nintendo Switch Joy-Cons or Pro Controller, providing a comfortable experience. You can always check the control guide within the application. Remember to save your progress frequently, either through the game's intrinsic save system or by creating a quick suspend point from the application menu. Enjoy the timeless adventure of Ocarina of Time, now presented with subtle visual improvements that enhance its classic appeal on your Nintendo Switch. Do not hesitate to use the incredibly helpful rewind feature, easily activated with the ZL button, allowing you to instantly correct any small missteps. You can also adjust display settings, such as the aspect ratio, from the application's menu to customize your playing experience. Have fun exploring Hyrule.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.